Hello guys, welcome to this channel Kaushik Chowdhury. So today we are going to tell you how to upgrade your .NET system from .NET 7 to .NET 8, or for that matter from any .NET ASP.NET Core version to the latest ASP.NET 8. Okay, so let's start straight away. So I will open my Visual Studio installer. This is Visual Studio 2022, which I need to upgrade in order to continue installation of my ASP.NET 8, which is again the latest version released by .NET Conference latest, okay, in this month. So let's write on the search menu of Windows 11 installer, Visual Studio installer, and click on open. And on this Visual Studio installer, it is getting ready. And I've got this community version 17.6.2, which is very old, by the way, and I'll need to update it to 17.8.0. You can view the details if you like, but I know that it will enable me to work with the ASP.NET 8, which is so many modern and latest features. So click on update. So Visual Studio installer, I'll have to click yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. And then it will update the Visual Studio installer itself, and then it will tell me how to upgrade my Visual Studio community version to the version that will enable me for ASP.NET 8. So we'll come back after this is finished updating. So guys, after a few minutes, it says done installing. Visual Studio has been successfully installed. We recommend rebooting soon to clean up any remaining files. Okay, so let's see what is available. This is preview is available, and this is Visual Studio. Now it is checking for updates. All installations are up to date. Okay, so let's see. It's already. So with the installation of Visual Studio installer, it has already updated the Visual Studio. It's on launch, and if I want to create a project, it will show you that it will be doing it with the ASP.NET is already available. So create a new project if you like. Say for example Blazor web app. If you click on next, just I wanted to show you that it is indeed Visual Studio 2022 has updated so that it can work with ASP.NET 8. In fact, ASP.NET 8 SDK or runtime, everything has been all updated to 8 version 8, okay, which is the latest one. So I will not create the Blazor application, but I will show you. Click on next. And this is automatically giving me the framework .NET 8 long-term support, which is the latest one. And this was the purpose of this lecture. So we'll come back in the next lecture. I will create an e-commerce application using ASP.NET 8. Okay. So thank you for watching. I'll come back and then close this. And